Hello guys, good morning. In this video, we will solve the exercise related trigonometry, which is chapter 8 of class 10th mathematics. Now, let's start. This is a first question of exercise 8.1. Now, what is question says? What is question? In triangle ABC, right angle at B, okay, this is a right angle and AB is 24, so the one vertex is A and other vertex will be C. Now AB is 24 centimeter, okay, then BC is 7 centimeter is given. Now we should find out the value of AC, because determine sin A cos A sin C cos C, there will be hypotenuse, so hypotenuse AC will be 7 square plus 24 square. Okay, now 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. Then what is the value of this? If you add it, you will get 625. And do you know this is the square of 25? Clear? Now what is the value of sin A? First question, sin A. If sin A, we are taking that opposite angle, opposite side will be perpendicular, and this will be and bigger side will be hypotenuse. Then sin A will be P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then perpendicular is given that 7 and hypotenuse given that 25. Clear? That is the answer. Now what is the answer of cos A? What is the answer of cos A? Okay, this is base. If you take base, this will be base and hypotenuse, and base is given that. If you take angle A, then adjacent side will be base and bigger side will be hypotenuse. So base is 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. That is the answer. Now what is the value of sin C? If you take angle C, then opposite side will be perpendicular. Now sin C, because we want sin C here perpendicular will be 24 and hypotenuse will be 25. That is the answer. Now what is the value of cos C? Cos C, this is the value base upon hypotenuse. Now if you take C, then adjacent side 7 will be base, then base is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. So this is our solution. Now come at next question. Here in question 2, in figure 8.13, clear, find 10p minus cot r. Here 12, 13, but I don't have information about QR. Then first we should find out what is the value of QR. Here bigger side is 13, so 13 square minus 12 square. Now what is the square of 13? 13, the square of 13 square is 169 minus 144. Then what will be the answer? 945 642. That means 5 centimeter is the value of QR. Clear? Clear? Now find out the value of 10p minus cot r. First, what is the value of 10p? What is the value of 10p? 10 if perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is if we consider P as a angle, then opposite side will be perpendicular. Opposite side will be perpendicular. Now what perpendicular is given that 5, and base will be adjacent side 12 centimeter. So 5 by 12 is 10p, and cot r, value of cot r, it will be the reverse of 10. Then formula is b by p, and for r base will be 5, so we should 5, and perpendicular will be 12. Because if you take any angle, if you consider any angle, then opposite side will be perpendicular, and bigger side will be hypotenuse, and remaining side will be base. So if you subtract it, 10p minus cot r, what will you get? You will get 0, because both are the same number. So we will get 0. That is our answer. Now move on, next question. Question number 4. Now given 15 cot A equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. First we should simplify this. Here we can write cot A equal to 8 by 15. Now 8 by 15, that means it is the base, it is the perpendicular. Clear? It is the base and it is the perpendicular, because 10A is perpendicular by base, so cot A is reverse. Now we should draw a triangle. We should draw a triangle. So here now we draw a triangle. Cot A, if you take any point A is here, then B and C. Clear? Now cot A base is 8, and this is 15, base and perpendicular. Clear? This is perpendicular. Now what is the value of this? So we should find out the value of AC first. What is the value of AC? AC is 8 square plus 15 square. 15 square plus 8 square, that means 225 plus 64, that means 9, 8, 2. This is the square of 17. Clear? So here we will write 17. Now what is the value of sin A? Sin A, value of sin A 15, because perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then perpendicular is given that 15 and hypotenuse is 17. That is answer. Now for sec A, cos A is B by H, then H by B. Here B as a base, then hypotenuse is given 17, and base is given that 8. Clear? That is the answer. Now, first we should check comment question number 3 because we missed the question. Now, here sin A is given that find out the value of cos A and tan A. So, first we should draw a triangle. Clear? Now, here A, we consider A, B, C as a vertices of a triangle. Now sin A 3 by 4. That means it is the perpendicular, it is the hypotenuse. And if it is perpendicular, then it will be 3 and this will be 4. And if you try to find out the value of AB, this will be 5. Clear? Now, how we can write AB square? 4 square, that means AB is 4 square. Now, first we should find out without because that will be difference. 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9. Now, that is 7. So root 7 will become. So here we will write root 7. If 3, 4, then 5 here. Now, what is the value of cos A? That is the question. Cos A, that means base by h, base by hypotenuse. So base is given that root 7 and hypotenuse is given that 4. Now, what is the value of tan A? Perpendicular upon base, p by b, then p is given that 3 and b is given that root 7. That is the answer of this question. Now, we should move on question number 5. Clear? Now, question number 5. Sec theta is 13 by 12 and calculate the all other trigonometric ratio. So, if you want to calculate all other ratio, then we should draw a triangle first. Now, this is the triangle. Now, here the value is given that here this is theta and sec theta is, if you take sec theta, this will be cos theta, then here will be base by hypotenuse. This is the base, this is hypotenuse. Clear? Now, so then base will be hypotenuse will be 13 centimeter, here 13 centimeter and base will be 12 centimeter. Clear? Now, we should find out the other side. If you take P, Q and R, then what is the value of QR? First, we should find out what is the value of QR. Don't worry. We will find out the value of QR. 13 square minus 12 square. 13 square is given that 169 and it is 144. Then 5, 25. So we will write here 5. Clear? So it will be 5. Now we are able to find out all other trigonometric ratio. So first sec theta is given that, then cos theta will be the reverse of 1 by sec theta. So we can write here 12 by 13. Clear? Now, what is the value of sin theta? Sin theta is defined as formula of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is 5 and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Clear? Now, what is the value of sine cos? Then we can write cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reverse of sine theta. So h by p, if we will write here 13 by 5. Now, what is the value of tan theta? What is the value of tan theta? P by b, then perpendicular. Perpendicular is 5 and b is 12 centimeter. So, what is the value of cot theta? Cot theta value is a reverse of it. So, b by p, then 12 by 5. So, we here, this is the our solution of the given question. Now, everything is right here. Clear? Now, we should move on next question. This is question number 6. Now, what is the question number 6? If angle A, angle B are acute angles first, and such that cos A equal to cos B, okay, then so that angle A equal to angle B, first we should draw a triangle. That is our aim. Now, clear? Here, this is a triangle. Now, we should make a acute triangle less than, then this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, acute angle given that cos such that cos A equal to cos B. Okay. Now, given cos A equal to cos B, then we can write what is the value of cos A. If you talk about A, this will be perpendicular, this will be base, this will be hypotenuse. And do you know value of cos A is base by hypotenuse. So base will be AC and hypotenuse will be AB. Now, if you talk about cos B, then base will be BC and hypotenuse will be AB. Now, we can eliminate AB, then we will get AC equal to BC. So, if in a triangle two sides are same, then there will be that corresponding angle will be equal. Clear? Corresponding will be equal. That is the theorem. Clear? That is the theorem. Now we can prove this theorem with the help of many axioms, and this question is already proved, because if you talk about ACBC, then we can say that this is a isosceles triangle. Clear? This is a isosceles triangle. Clear? Now, but don't worry, we can use another way to solve the same problem. So here we will draw a perpendicular. First we should draw a perpendicular for this, then we should make a perpendicular for this. Now D is the point at AB. Now if you take a triangle CDB, in triangle CDB, in AD CDB, that means CDA, triangle CDA. What will we get? We get angle D, angle CDA, CDB equal to angle CDA. Clear? Now this is 90 degree and side of AB and AC is same. AB side of AC and BC same. AC equal to BC. Clear? It's given. Now we can write CD equal to CD common. So we can say that here side, here side, and this is side, this side, two sides are common, one angle is common, then we can say that side angle side. Clear? So if two sides are side, we can say that side and that is common, so we can say that angle A equal to angle B. We can say that angle A equal to angle B. Clear? Because that is perpendicular, that is given that here AC equal to BC and D is common, and so other angle will be the same, and angle D is common, angle D is common, then it will be the same. Clear? But if you don't use this, we can say that because this is that theorem, if two sides are same, in the, that will be isosceles triangle, then corresponding angle will be equal. That is the theorem. Now come at question number 7. Cot theta is 7/8, and first we should find 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. If you multiply this, you will get the easy way to find out the value. But first we should write here, this is perpendicular, this is base. Okay. Now if this is perpendicular, first we should draw a triangle. Now if you take theta here, perpendicular and base is 7 and perpendicular is 8. Clear? Now what will be the value of 8 square plus 7 square? That means what is the value? 8 8 ja 64 and 7 7 ja 49. So we can write here what will be the value of this. This will be the value of 113. Clear? Now here we will write 113 and square root. Now find out the value of question 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. First we should write here, first we should multiply both terms. we will get a plus b, a minus b will be 1 minus sine square theta, and this will be 1 minus cos square theta. Then what is the value of sine square theta? That means sine theta is the value of perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 8 by 113 square. Now this will be base 7 by 113. Now it will be 1 minus 8 by 8 square by 113, 1 minus 7 square by 113. That means 113 minus 8 8 64 upon 113 minus 7 7 49. Now here 113 and 113 will become and will cancel out. Now what is the subtraction? Because it 64 and 49 113, so here 49 will come and here 64 will become 49 by 64. Clear? That is the answer for this. Now what is the value of cot square theta? In second term, cot square theta, cot theta is given that 7 by 8, so we square it. Now after squaring we will get 7 square 49 and 7 square 49 and 8 8 64. By the way, this is the formula of this. Clear? Now come at the next question, question number 8. Clear? Here question number 8, if 3 cot a equal to 4, check whether 1 minus 10 square a plus 1 upon 1 plus 10 square a equal to cos square a minus sin square a or not. So first we should write cot a equal to 4 by 3. So first we should draw a triangle. This is the triangle. Here we should consider one vertices as a. This is a. Now cot a is 4 by 3, that means this is perpendicular, this is base, and so base is 4 and perpendicular is 3. So if 3 and 4, then it will be 5. Clear? Now if we take left hand side, clear, if we take left hand side of the given triangle, left hand side of the given information, 1 minus 10 square a upon 1 plus 10 square a. Clear? Now what we will get? 1 minus 10a, that means perpendicular upon base, so then 3 by 4. Clear? Now 1 plus 3 by 4. Then we can write 4 square minus 3 square upon 4 square plus 3 square. Here it will be 4 square and here will be by 4 square. Now 4 square minus 3 square, what will be? A minus b into a plus b. 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 plus 3 is 7. Clear? Now 4 square is 4 square 16 and 3 square is 9. Now 7 by 25. Clear? And right hand side we will write here cos square a minus sin square a. What is the value of cos a? Base by h, 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 square. Clear? Minus sin a, perpendicular by hypotenuse, 3 by 4. Clear? 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Now 5 square is common. Here we will write 4 square minus 3 square. Now 4 a minus b into a plus b. 4 minus 3 1. 4 plus 3 7. 7 by 25. So that is our answer. Now come at question number 9. Clear? Question number 9. Here question number 9 is given that in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Clear? Now first we should draw a triangle. Now this is the triangle. Now right angle at B. So here B at right angle. Now if 10A is 1 by 13, here A, here C, A, B, C. 10A is given that. If 10 is given, that means this is perpendicular, this is base. Now perpendicular is 1 and base is root 3. Clear? Perpendicular is 1, that will be. Now what will be the value of AC? First, for AC we can find out after squaring and adding. 1 square root 3 square. This will be 1, 3, that will be 4, that will be 2. So here we will write 2. Now we are able to find out the all given problem. Here sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Clear? Then first sin A cos C. What is the value of sin A? Sin A, that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 1 by 2 is given that. Now cos C. What is the value of cos C? Base upon hypotenuse. So here for cos C, base will be 1. Base will be 1. Clear? And for cos C, hypotenuse will be 2. Clear? Now plus for cos A, this is cos A, then base will be root 3 and hypotenuse will be 2. Sin C, here sin C, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so perpendicular is root 3 and 2. Pay attention on this point because it is very essential, so we should concentrate and we should fix our mind on this point. Clear? So here 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, that will be 3 by 4, and we can add it because denominator is the same. So 4 by 4, that is 1. This is the answer of the question. Clear? Now for next question, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Clear? Now for cos A, what is the value of cos A? Root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos C? 1 by 2. minus sine A. What is the value of sine B? A 1 by 2. And what is the value of sine C? Root 3 by 2. Both are the same number. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So both are the same, so it will be 0. Now come at the question number 10. Clear? Now what is the question number 10? In triangle PQR, first we should draw a triangle. Here this is a triangle and a right angle at Q. This is Q, which is a right angle. Clear? Now then PQR, PQ is 5 centimeter is given that, and this will be R, and PR plus QR, PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. It is given that other information. Determine the value of sine P. So don't worry. If nothing is there, then we should take here PR and QR is 25 centimeter. So we should take QR. What is the value of PU? PR 25 minus QR. Clear? 25 minus QR. So first we should write here, we should solve it. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. Clear? Now PQ square is 5 square plus QR square, and this is PR square. Now PR square minus QR is 5 square, that will be 25. PR minus QR, we can write here PR minus QR to PR plus QR with the use of formula. PR plus QR is given that PR plus QR is given that 25 centimeter. PR minus QR, here it is 25 centimeter. So this will be 1. Then we can write PR minus QR as 1. Clear? And we have information about PR plus QR. Now with the use of QR, what will be the value of QR? 25 minus PR. Okay, this will be 1. Now PR minus plus, so 2PR equal to 1 plus 25, that will be 26. So PR will be 13. Clear? PR will be 13. If this is 13, then this will be 12. Clear? Because here 25 minus 13 will be 12. 3 to 5, 1, 1, 2. Clear? Now we have find out all values. Then what is the value of sine P? Clear? So don't worry, sine P. What is the value of sine P? If this will be perpendicular, this will be hypotenuse, so 12 by 13. Now what is the value of cos P? base by hypotenuse, 5 by 13, 5 by 13. Now what is the value of 10p? 5 by 12 by 5. Clear? 12 by 5 because perpendicular upon base. Now this is our solution for question number 10. Now move on question number 11. Clear? State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The value of 10a is always less than 1. Clear? The value of 10a is always less than 1. So don't worry. Why we can say that the value of 10a is always less than 1? If you consider a triangle, first we should draw a triangle. Clear? Suppose this is 3 and this is 4, then it will be 5. Clear? We know. Now, the value of 10 is always less than 1. But here 10a, for first question, 10a equal to 4 by 3. Then this 4 by 3 is greater than 1. So first point is false. Then we can say that first point is false. Now if you take sec a equal to 12 by 5, if you draw any other triangle, and if you remove this. Now if you take sec a, if you consider this as a and sec a here, that means cos a, base by hypotenuse. So this will be base, this will be hypotenuse. Now what will be 12 square minus 5 square? 144 minus 25 and 9, and this will be 13 minus 2, then it will be 119. So root 119, here value root 119. Now for some value of angle A, sec A is 25. Clear? For some value of K. But if this is A and here suppose this is C and this is B. Now for some value of A, but this is the ratio only, so we take more value. Clear? We can take more value. Here 5k, 12k, and this will be, so it will be 5x if you take x, because this is a ratio is given that. Clear? Now if you observe that, what will you get? You will get 1 you will get BC is BC, you will get BC is less than AC plus BC is less than AC plus AB. Clear? AC plus AB and greater than AC minus AB. If you observe that, then what will you get? That means AC minus AB 12 minus 12x minus 5x 12x plus 5x, this is 7x, this is 17x. Clear? So BC is between 7x because this is, if you that means it is the answer of 10.9. Clear? If you find out the root, then here we can say that this type of triangle is possible and hence such value of sec A is possible, so it is true. Now for cos A, is the observation used for the cosecant of angle. Clear? First we should remove this. Clear? Clear? Now this is true. Come at the third portion. Cos A is abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle. Clear? Abbreviation cosecant of angle. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. This is not right. Clear? False, because cos A is defined as cosine. Cos A, that means cosine of A. Clear? And cosec A is other things. It is cosecant, and so it is false. Now cot A is the product of cot A into A. No, we have given information. Cot A, if it is cos A, we cannot write cos A into cos into A. So in the same way, for cot A, we cannot write cot into A. This is not equal, so the given things is false. Clear? Given point is false. Now come at fifth point. Sin theta is 4/3 for some angle theta. Clear? Don't worry. This is if you take this will be perpendicular, this will be hypotenuse. Clear? But side of hypotenuse is less. Side of hypotenuse is less. Hypotenuse greater than P and hypotenuse greater than B. It should be. Without this we cannot make solution, because hypotenuse always is bigger than remaining sides. So given information is false. Clear? So this is the our solution. Now I hope that you will be able to find out all such type of problem, and thank you guys.